Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to make a different granny square. It's a bit flowery granny square, so let's get started. I have here my acrylic yarn and my 3.5mm crochet hook. To start with, we're going to make our slip knot and make a chain of 8. And we're going to slip stitch on the last chain to form a ring. Now we have a ring, chain 1. Our chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch, and make 16 single crochets in our ring. You may be needing a little push on the side to have your 16 single crochets accommodated on the ring. So once you have your 16 single crochets, slip stitch on the first single crochet that we made. For our second round, we're going to make a chain of 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Our 7 chains will be counted as 1 double crochet and a chain of 4. So we're going to skip the next chain and we're going to make 1 double crochet. Skip the next chain, 1 double crochet on the next chain. Chain 4. Skip the next chain, 1 double crochet on the next. Chain 4. Skip 1 chain and 1 double crochet on the next. So repeat around, so you'll have a total of 8 double crochets and 8 chain 4 spaces. So now I have 8 of these double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we're going to make chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to attach on the third chain, 1, 2, and 3. So now we are done with our second round. For our third round, chain 1, and on the chain 4 space, we're going to make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, and a single crochet. So this will become our first petal. So we're going to repeat in every chain 4 spaces. So on the next chain 4 space, we're going to make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, and 1 and 1 single crochet. So repeat around until your last chain 4 space. For our next round, chain 8, Our chain 8 will be a double crochet and a chain of 5. And we're going to make a single crochet in between the 2 double crochets. Chain 5 and single crochet in between the next 2 double crochets. On the next 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, make 1 double crochet in between the single crochets. So chain 5, single crochet in between the 2 double crochets, chain 5, single crochet in between the 2 double crochets, chain 5, make 1 double crochet in between the single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in between the 2 double crochets, chain 5, single crochet on the next group in between those 2 double crochets, chain 5, 1 double crochet in between the 2 single crochets, chain 5, single crochet on the next in between the 2 double crochets, chain 5, single crochet again in between the 2 double crochets, chain 5, and we're going to count 1, 2, and 3, and on the 3rd chain we're going to slip stitch. For our final round, chain 3, make 1 more double crochet, so we have 2 double crochets on top of the double crochet. On the next chain 5 space, make 4 double crochets. On the next chain 5 space, make 4 double crochets. And on the next chain 5 space, we're going to repeat 4 double crochets. On top of the double crochet, we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 3, and 2 more double crochets. Oops. We're going to repeat that one more double crochet. So that completes our first corner. On the next chain 5 space, make 4 double crochets. On the next chain 5 space, make 4 double crochets. on the next chain 5 space, make 4 double crochets again. So now we have our double crochet. On top of it, we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets to form our second corner. Now we're going to work on our third corner. Two double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets. And for our sides, 4 double crochets in each of the 5 chain 5 spaces. And for the sides, 4 double crochets in each of the chain 5 spaces. And for our last corner, we made these 2 double crochets already in the beginning, so we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch on the first chain 3 that we made. And now we are ready to slip stitch and cut our yarn. You can stretch a little bit your Adrienne square. This is a different kind of granny square, but still simple to make. So that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos too. I hope you enjoyed our video for today and you learned a thing or two. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.